Have you ever wondered how to create a Printify account? Well, you're in the right place. Printify, a print-on-demand platform, offers entrepreneurs the opportunity to sell custom products without the hassle of inventory or shipping. It's a platform that's revolutionizing the way we do business, by providing a simple, elegant solution for anyone looking to venture into the world of e-commerce. So, if you're ready to start your journey with Printify, here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an account. The first step is to go to the Printify website. You can do this by either typing Printify into a search engine or directly entering www.printify.com into your web browser's address bar. Remember, it's crucial to verify that you're actually on the Printify site. Check the address bar for the correct URL and look for the site's security certificate to avoid falling prey to scams. Once you've arrived at the Printify website, you're ready for the next step. You're now ready to sign up for a Printify account. Let's dive right in. The first step is to find the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've found it, give it a click. This will open up a new window where you'll be asked to enter some personal information. Start by typing in your full name. Make sure to use your real name, as this will be important for future transactions. Next, enter a valid email address. This is where all the important notifications and updates will be sent, so make sure it's an address you check regularly. And now, the password. This is your first line of defense against any unwanted access, so make it strong. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. The more complex, the better. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, it's time to click the Create Account button, and you're one step closer to having your Printify account. After clicking Create Account, it's time to verify your email address. Now this is a crucial step to ensure the security and authenticity of your account, so let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your email inbox. This is usually as simple as opening up your preferred email client or logging in via your web browser. Once there, look for an email from Printify. It may take a few minutes to arrive, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Now within this email, you'll find a verification link. By clicking this link, you'll confirm that the email address you provided belongs to you. If you can't seem to find the email, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, verification emails can end up there. Once you've verified your email address, you're ready to set up your Printify account. Now, isn't that a piece of cake? Now that your email is verified, you can set up your Printify account. With your email verified, you've taken the first step into the world of Printify. Now, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty and complete your account setup. This includes choosing a unique store name and adding a payment method. Choosing a store name might seem like a small task, but it's more important than you might think. This name is the face of your brand, the first thing your customers will see. It needs to be unique, catchy, and represent your brand's identity. So take your time, brainstorm, and choose a name that fits your vision. Adding a payment method is the next step in setting up your Printify account. This is crucial because without it, you won't be able to receive payments for your products. Printify supports a wide range of payment methods, from credit and debit cards to online payment platforms. To add a payment method, you simply navigate to the Payment Methods section in your account settings and follow the prompts. It's as easy as pie. Once you've completed these steps, your Printify account is all set up and ready to go. You're now part of a global community of creators and entrepreneurs who are using Printify to bring their ideas to life and sell them to the world. You've taken your first step into the exciting world of e-commerce, and the possibilities are endless. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Printify account. To recap, you've visited the Printify website, signed up, verified your email, and completed your account setup. It's time to start creating and selling your custom products. Enjoy the journey. Your Printify journey has only just begun. It's time to start creating, selling, and turning your passion into profit. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. So go ahead, explore, create, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.